Hello, welcome to English with Mancho. Also 오십시오. Today we have a very good episode. Today's episode is 10 ways to make your life better. 어떻게 여러분들의 인생 좋아질 수 있는지 방법 10가지 하는 수업이에요. So I just want to say my life is not perfect. My life is not perfect, but I am a student of life, and I like to learn more about life, and I like to teach about life. So let's get started. These are ways that I use to help improve my life. It works for me. I don't know if it will work for you, but I want to share the ways that I use to help improve my life. Okay, number one, be thankful for everything you have. 모든 가지고 있는 것에 감사해야 돼요. So if you are thankful, 감사하면, if you are thankful, 벌써 얼마나 있는지 감사하면 더 인생도 즐거울 수 있어요. So you can enjoy life more if you appreciate what you have. Number two, read more books, learn more. Number two, this is important because if you are better today than you were yesterday, then today can be a better day. And tomorrow I will be better than I am today. 매일매일 조금씩 배우고 책 보고 지식 쌓일 수 있어요. 경험 쌓일 수 있어요. 그렇게 해서 또 좋은 생활, 인생 살 수 있어요. Okay, number three, learn to say no. Learn to say no. This is important. 거절하는 법 배워야 돼요. You have to learn to say no because you want to control your time. You want to control your time. 자기 시간 조절 해야 된다고 생각해야 돼요. 그래서 가끔씩 초대받아도 거절해야 돼요. So you have to say no to some invitations. You have to say no to some invitations. This is about controlling your time. 자기 시간 조절하는 법이에요. Also, when you say no, this builds your confidence. So you believe in yourself. 자기 자신 믿어야 돼요. So you have to believe in yourself. So number three, the third way to improve your life is to learn to say no. 그거 조금 힘들어도 하게 되면 익숙해질 수 있어요. Number four, the opposite of learn to say no, learn to say yes. Learn to say yes. So when you say yes, this is about enjoying life. So you do not control everything. 다 조절하는 거 아니고 초대 받고 yes 하는 것도 배워야 돼요. So you have to learn to say yes. 있는 것대로 받아들으세요. So you cannot like control everything. 다 조절 못해요. You cannot control everything. You have to enjoy life. You have to enjoy life, have fun. So learn to say yes. Ways to improve your life. Number 5 is learn to make money. Learn to make money outside of your job. outside of your job. 자기 직장에서 말고 그 외에 돈 버는 방법 배우면 좋아요. So learn to make money outside of your job. 자기 시야 넓힐 수 있어요. So you can find more opportunities. So as you live and as you like go on with your day, you can find and look for and find opportunities. 기회 잡을 수 있어요. 기회 찾을 수 있어요. Also, this also helps build your confidence. 자신감 키울 수 있어요. If you make money outside of your job, you can build confidence. Because in a job, you just 시키는 대로 하면 돼요. You can just do what your boss says. But when you make money outside of your job, you create the opportunity. Like 본인 기회가 만들어요. 그런 차이가 있어요. 그래서 자신감 키울 수 있어요. So you can raise your confidence by finding ways to make money outside of your job. Ways to improve your life. Number 6 is this is a feel-good one. Go for walks outside. 산책하러 가세요. Because you can get the blood flow going. You can get the blood flow going. There is better thinking, so you can get better thinking. 더 잘 생각할 수 있어요. Like when your blood flows, you can think better. Also, you can get some vitamin D, vitamin D. You can get vitamin D from the sun. You can get vitamin D from the sun. Another reason why I like going for walks outside, 또 좋아하는 이유가 왜 산책하는 거 좋아하는 이유가 자연 like 공부할 수 있어요. 자연 감사할 수 있어요. So you can appreciate nature. You can appreciate nature. You can study nature. You can learn from nature. You can learn from nature. So I like to go for walks outside, and I learn from nature, observe little animals, the trees, the flowers, everything. And I can think about life. I can think about relationships. 인생 생각도 할 수 있고, 관계, 가족 생각도 할 수 있고, 그리고 like 기분 좋아져요. So it makes me feel good. Reason or the 7th way to how to improve your life is become a better communicator. 의사소통 하는 법 배우세요. So one of my heroes is a very rich man, Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett 세계 부자 사람이에요. 아마 탑 10 부자 사람이에요. Warren Buffett 말로는 이렇게 하면 월급 2배 돼요. So he says you can double your income. You can double your salary if you do this. 이렇게 하면 월급 2배 돼요. You become a better speaker. You become a better speaker and a better writer. So he said, become a better communicator by public speaking and by becoming a better writer, and you will double your salary. So one other reason why I am doing YouTube is to become a better communicator. So become a better communicator and your life will get better. Number 8, the eighth way to make your life better is 제이슨 머라즈, 가수 제이슨 머라즈, 한국에서 예전에 인기가 많았던 가수 제이슨 머라즈 노래 있어요. 그 노래 이름이 I'm Yours 하는 like 글 있어요. So he has a lyric that says you win some, you learn some. You win some, you learn some. 그래서 이거 내 생각에는 아주 좋은 충고예요. 일반 사람 어떤 때 이기고 다른 어떤 때 져요. So the average mind thinks you win some, you lose some. You win some, you lose some. But Jason Mraz in the song says you win some, you learn some. 그래서 제이슨 머라즈 말로는 이기거나 아니면 배워요. 그거는 윈윈이에요. 그래서 이기면 이기는 거예요. 지면 배우는 거예요. 그래서 배우면 이기는 거예요. 그래서 윈윈 돼요. 그런 사고방식 가지고 있으면 항상 인생 이겨요. You win some, you learn some. So I heard that 가사 들었을 때 좋은 생각이라고 생각했어요. So you win some, you learn some from Jason Mraz. Ways to have a better life. Number 9 is envision your life and meditate. So envision your life. 자기 원하는 인생 상상하세요. 그리고 명상하세요. 아니면 명상 좋아하지 않으면 기도하세요. 아니면 그냥 혼자서 깊게 생각하세요. 원하는 인생. So you have to envision your life, envision the life you want. So a lot of times we are very busy in the morning, busy in the afternoon, busy in the evening. So doing work, eating, and then shower, and then go to sleep. There is no time for thinking. There is no time to think. But to improve your life, you have to think and you have to envision the life you want. 원하는 인생 상상하면 좋은 습관이에요. Number 10, ways to improve your life is do your work not only in the job, but do the work that you know you have to do. 마지막으로 어떻게 인생 좋아질 수 있는 법 마지막 number 10 해야 되는 일 하세요. 미루지 마세요. 직장에서만 아니고 자기 계획대로 해야 되는 일 있으면 미루지 마세요. So if you have something to do, just do it. Just do it. Like Nike motto. So Nike has a motto, just do it. So that is English with Mancho. These are my top 10 ways that you can top 10 ways to help improve your life. So I hope you enjoyed. When you get a chance, after you finish watching this video, please leave a comment. Like, please type which of the 10 you liked the most? So my favorite is probably number 8. You win some, you learn some. That is my favorite. Which one is your favorite? And also don't forget to subscribe. 이런 비디오 좋아하시면 구독해 주십시오. 그리고 다음에 뵙겠습니다. See you next time. Bye bye.